morning. We're welding up the fence. We're finishing up the lot. They're not that bad, are they? So we're back here at the cow lot, working on another. What? Yeah, I welded.
Did you weld this one?
Yeah, I did weld those. Look at the bottom ones. They look a lot better. Those look good.
Did you hear me before?
Yeah.
I said, wow, these suck.
Yeah, these suck. They didn't start off very good. They've gotten better. It's kind of a bad place to start from. The Arabs were alright at the beginning. They're alright. No, they shouldn't be hot. It's been about, I don't know. Me and Jared put up one panel already. We've got the next one lined up.
Are you only going to do the top side, not the bottom? Or?
We're just going to do the top. I don't think, I'm going to look over here on this other fence and see whether they did any differently. But yeah, here's the welder we're using on the old, I don't know what this was. Used to be an old pickup bed. I don't know what it was. I don't know what pickup. I don't know any of that stuff. This thing's been on the farm way before I was born, probably. But this welder is Roy's, which he works down at the hog barns. But yeah, I think we bought it off of him, and we're using it now. Pretty much we bought it off of him for him to use it at the hog barns and for us to use it up here. But yeah, they only did the tops on those, so we're probably just gonna do the tops on these. I mean, it's sturdy, it's strong. We might add another pull up, but yeah. See, these welds aren't that bad. They're not that bad, guys. They're not that bad. We gotta weld them together. What do you mean? Look at these. Look at these big fat beads over here. These are good. It's because this isn't tied up yet. We haven't welded this up yet. But yeah, we got the tractor holding it in place. The reason for that, and not the skid steer, is because you can get out of the tractor after you put it in place. We haven't done that yet. That's how you stick them together. You put a little piece of metal piece. Yeah, I had to tack them so they wouldn't move in and out whenever we were sliding them in together. Big brain. Big brain. This is going to take a while. This is definitely going to take a while to do all this. MIG welders are nice. Here. Why don't you record yourself, pretty boy? Are you trapped? Are you trapped and alone? You had a JCB, you'd be able to get out.
This is mine, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is there?
Aden has a Coke or something.
Is there
What?
Is there a side?
A what? Yeah, JCB's got the side door.
Yeah,
And it has
because isn't
one,
it?
yeah, it's the one.
It's the
boom.
one arm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tightened up against
Jared's welding now. Trying to tack them together. Yeah. Sorry guys for not welding in Crocs today. I should have had them out here. Crocs, shorts, t-shirt. Yeah, maybe next time Aden will weld with Crocs on. He's got the hard job. He has to sit inside and just sit inside and play on his phone. He's trapped because of the loader being up in the air. He can't get out the front door. Hard-working man. Still working very, very hard in here. Now he's got it on, so he has AC and everything. Not bad for half a day. Yeah, this is... Gates there. Gates there, there. It's coming together. Coming together. It's a few hours since the last clip, and as soon as I start talking, Brandon starts talking. Yeah, what are you crying about? Next Thursday, he gets to go to the vet and get dewormed, and he might actually get snipped. Poor Brandon. Yeah, but you do need to be dewormed. But yeah, it's starting to rain. Actually, it wasn't supposed to rain until tomorrow. I mean, it's fine. We're okay with getting some more rain. I mean, we did get a lot of rain there for the 3 days, but the ground soaked it in pretty quickly, so yep. See the cows, and you can see the beans over there. They're looking really good over there. You can see a little spot. I don't know. Right there. Dad missed a little bit spraying. But I was just mowing road banks with the 80/40 and a little brush cutter. What are you doing? You're getting rained on. Yeah, just meowing. Meow. So I just got back from mowing road banks for Memorial Day. Want to clean things up, make everything look good. Brandon wants to say goodbye. You want to say goodbye? Meow. Meow. No. No climbing. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe if you're new around here. Yeah, that's all I got. See you guys in the next one. And a big shout out to all our shout out crew members for them supporting this channel. If you want to support this channel and become a member, check it out in the link in the description below.